the basics of how to register with the BIR. Brought to you by the Bureau of Internal Revenue, Region 13, Revenue District Office 82, Cebu City South. How to register new business with a BIR using BIR Form 1901 or BIR Form 1903. First, fill out the BIR form for registration. 1901 is used for registration for self-employed individuals, whether single proprietor or professional, mixed income individuals, non-resident alien engaged in trade or business, as well as registration for estates and trusts. On the other hand, 1903 is used for registration for corporations and partnerships, whether taxable or non-taxable, including government agencies and instrumentalities, local government units, cooperatives, and associations. Submit the BIR form applicable to you together with the required complete documentary requirements at the New Business Registrant Counter or NBRC. Pay the annual registration fee with a revenue collection officer assigned at the NBRC, or with an authorized agent bank of your RDO, or through e-payment channels. Then, buy the BIR printed receipt or invoice. Lastly, receive the Certificate of Registration or COR, your proof of payment for the annual registration fee, and the BIR printed receipt or invoice. Where to register business with the BIR. Application for registration of business shall be filed at the NBRC of the Revenue District Office having jurisdiction over the principal place of business or residence of the taxpayer. Deadline. When to register. All individuals engaged in trade or business shall accomplish and file the application on or before the commencement of business, which shall be reckoned from the day when the first sale transaction occurred, or within 30 calendar days from the issuance of the mayor's permit or professional tax receipt by the local government unit, or of the certificate of registration by the Securities and Exchange Commission, whichever comes earlier. What are the documentary requirements for registration? For single proprietors and professionals not regulated by the PRC, submit your duly accomplished BIR Form 1901, together with any government-issued ID that shows the name, address, and birth date of the applicant. Submit also your BIR printed receipt or invoice or final sample of principal receipt or invoice. Lastly, pay the annual registration fee of 500 pesos and documentary stamp tax of 30 pesos. For corporations, submit your duly accomplished BIR Form 1903, together with a copy of the SEC registration and Articles of Incorporation for corporations and the Articles of Partnership for partnerships. Submit also the board resolution indicating the name of the authorized representative and/or the secretary's certificate. Lastly, pay the annual registration fee of 500 pesos and documentary stamp tax of 30 pesos. Additional documents to be presented, if applicable. Don't forget to submit your franchise documents. For example, if you are a common carrier, present the Certificate of Public Convenience. If you are a BMBE or Barangay Micro Business Enterprise Registered Enterprise, present your Certificate of Authority. And if you are a Board of Investments or BOI or BOARMM registered, PEZA registered, BCDA registered, or SBMA registered enterprise, submit the proof of registration or permit to operate. Be informed. Become a responsible taxpayer by paying your taxes on time and accurately. Thank you for watching.